For more than 8 years, the development of the Cobb teaching and learning system has been focused on one goal: student success. As real-world experience was gained, we asked for your input. Now we're excited to announce CTLS Learn Release 1.5. Release 1.5 includes some key new features. Students now have a dashboard where they'll see announcements, assignments due, and more all in one place. Simple. They'll also be able to see the classroom calendars together or separately using the new calendar filter feature. And finding and joining remote classroom sessions is a cinch using the new My Live Sessions widget.
The new student dashboard in CTLS is a definite improvement for our students who are trying to work so hard on staying on top of their assignments. Never before have students had a place where they could go to one location that had every bit of important upcoming information that they needed.
I love the new dashboard because it gives the students the opportunity to see everything on one screen in front of them. It's almost like a one-stop shop for them.
Having the announcements on the dashboard make it so much easier versus them clicking on individual classes. They can actually see the announcements right there when they first log in and be able to get a snapshot of what's going on in each class.
Super excited about the calendar feature. They're going to be able to look ahead at what's coming and then know exactly, again, what they need to prioritize.
To find out more about the new features in CTLS Learn Release 1.5, simply visit cobbctls.com.